good day and welcome back to the channel from whatever part of the country or whatever country you're watching me from. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Samuel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about embracing discipline, and also at the end of the video I'll be sharing the backtesting software at least every beginner can lay their hands on and just make use of. So do well to stick to the end of this video, and of course if you learned it, to do well to like, share, subscribe to the channel and just be a part of this journey. All right, without wasting much time, let me just get into the details of today's video. The literal meaning of discipline is actually you for sticking to what you ought to do at the right time. That's just doing what you ought to do at the right time and not at the wrong time. That's just the basic definition of discipline. But when it comes to forex trading, it actually means you sticking to your plans and not doing anything outside of your plan. That's very, very crucial. Last week, this just concluded week, I was backtesting and I noticed that discipline is actually one thing that will help one become profitable. The ability to say this is what I'm going to do when I enter this trade, and you doing it when you're in the trade. That's the key thing, that's the core thing that will make you profitable in this trading space. So I was backtesting and I just was like, if I was in a real market condition, how am I going to approach this market? And with that sense, actually did everything I said I was going to do when I'm in the trade. And I compared it to some trades I took earlier this year, and I was like, bro, if I had followed my plan strictly, I would have actually ended those months much more profitable than I was in those months. You get it? So that's actually the key thing to becoming profitable. You embracing discipline, saying this is what I'm going to do. That's why it is very, very important to have a trading plan. I'm actually still planning to get it printed out and just paste it on my me having it written down is not enough. I should be able to see it whenever I want to enter any trade. I think that's going to be a brain changer as well. So it is very, very important to have a trading plan. Have a list of things you are going to do, when you are going to break even, when you are going to probably add to the trade. But I won't advise, at least if you're a beginner, I won't advise you adding to trades as of now. Make sure that I'm going to be sharing this backtesting to make sure you have a backtested data, know how your strategy works, know the number of wins you can have in a row, just have the percentage and have a view of everything, how everything is going to be in the real market condition. And then when you are in a live market, then you approach it with that same sense. You get it now? So have a trade plan when you are going to break even, when you are going to probably add to the trade, when you are going to adjust your stop. Everything, these things must all these things must be predetermined before you enter a trade. So the ability of you following this is actually you embracing discipline. And trust me, this is going to be a brain changer for you. I'm not going to come and tell you what doesn't work. I've tested this thing and it's working. So that's it. So we start. I don't want to waste time. Let me just show you the backtesting software kind of thing. But it's a website actually, so I will share it out. I'll also drop the link in the description. Make sure you check it out. And let me state this once again, this is not a sponsored video. I just came across it. I thought it's going to be helpful to so many beginner traders. That's why I'm sharing this. So it's not a sponsored video. So if it's something you feel it is good for you, then just go ahead and use the link in the description and get started with it. So that's all for now. Let's just get into the screen. Alright, so once you've used the link in the description to bring you to this landing page, then you just click on try now. So I would advise you sign up with a Google account, or if you prefer using the email, you can actually just input your email manually and it's going to ask for your password and just the normal process. So that's just it. Alright, so once you are logged in, you are going to have the dashboard, something like this, but yours might be somehow empty because you've not you just started using it. Then just come to sessions to create sessions. So you come here, tap new sessions, then just name it anything you want to name it. I'll name this backtest, backtest, then $10,000. Let's say probably I want to trade USD, and I just come here and just a layout already. Then you can, but because this is a free trial, you can only do about just 1 month of data. Then end date, let's use September the 30th as well. So let's create sessions. It's going to now bring a pop-up that is, sorry, you are next in line. So then short, it will bring you to the chart now. So as you can see, you have this now. This is your chart. Just like trading view, you have all the tools at this region here that you can use to analyze your chart, and all any strategy you are using, you can use it on this. So for example, if you want to take a buy position or a sell position, you just come, let's just do the calculation first. Let's say I want to enter a trade around this point, this region here. It's just a random trade, not though, because some people come for it. It's just a random trade. Let's say my stop is going to be below here, or just this immediate low, and just put it, give it a bit of breathing space, then just 1 to 2. So I just click on, so the 100,000 account. Wow. So let's just come to position size calculator, baby pips is 100,000. Let's say you want to risk 1%, and you are using a 20 pips stop now. 20 pips GBP USD. Then it's, so we have to use 5 standard lots here. So we just come to our FX replay again, then come to this, enter the contract lot that you want to. So let's buy, and you come to this place. You note I did not do any analysis on this. I'm just taking rational trades to just show you how everything works on this platform. Then let's use the 5 minutes, so it's just moving anyhow. So you set your take profit to this region here and your stop loss. So that's set already. Then you come here, click on play, and you're going to have, let's just do 15 minutes. Okay, don't have the luxury of time. That takes us how anyhow anything is going to do. Don't have time. So that's it. It took us out for stop loss already. So be able to have the data as well. Come to analytics, then you'll be able to see the trade you took, and also you can export it in form of Excel, and it's downloaded already. So once you open it, you'll be able to see the trades you took. Probably it's a buy or a sell trade. You see, buy, the entry price, all the information you need is going to provide it for you. So it's going to give you your current account balance, this one, your current account balance as well. So that's just pretty how it works. Then I'm not sure of the journal, but I don't use their journal, since I can just document it. But I use Notion now to journal the trades. You can see I use, just create a trading journal on Notion, and you'll be able to document your trade on there. And as well, you can upgrade to their paid version. You just come to a paid plan, you see all their plans. There's the current plan, the free one, can see $15 rather, $29 a year. No, this is monthly, and that's just all about that. So that's just it. Now, if you've seen this video up until this extent, make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you'll be one of the first person to get access to the video whenever I upload one. And as well, comment in the comment section. I would love to see what you feel, and if you have any video you want me to make, also write it in the comment section, and I will do well to check and reply and see what we can do from there. Always go beyond, and see you in the next one. Bless you.